Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The best marshmallows is probably one of the most versatile and delightful treats available, perfect for everything from cozy hot chocolate to elaborate s'mores creations. And today we're diving deep into what makes a marshmallow truly stand out, exploring the subtle differences that can elevate your snacking and baking experiences from ordinary to extraordinary, ensuring you always pick the perfect puff for any occasion. Number 5. Rice Krispies Treats Original Marshmallow Squares. Remember the classic taste you love? These are the original Rice Krispies treats, bringing back that nostalgic flavor in every bite. Experience the delightful chewiness and sweet marshmallow goodness. Each square is crafted for that perfect, satisfying texture. Make snack time exciting with these delightful bars. They are the perfect treat for kids and adults alike, anytime, anywhere. With 54 individually wrapped squares, they are easy to take on the go. Perfect for lunchboxes, backpacks, or a quick treat at home. Made with simple, recognizable ingredients, these treats offer a delicious taste without any fuss. Enjoy the pure, sweet flavor. These classic marshmallow squares are perfect for sharing. Bring a smile to everyone's face with this beloved, timeless snack. What we like? These are the classic, original flavor marshmallow squares you know and love. They come in a large family-size pack, perfect for sharing or for stocking up. If you're looking for a convenient, ready-to-eat treat for lunchboxes or after-school snacks, these are a fantastic choice. What people say. Individually wrapped marshmallows are great for portion control and keeping them fresh. The marshmallows are soft and melt well, perfect for hot chocolate or s'mores. Each marshmallow is sealed, which is hygienic and convenient for on-the-go snacks. Number 4. Fun Express Mini Marshmallows. Elevate your hot chocolate experience with these delightful mini marshmallows. They are the perfect addition to your favorite warm beverages. Each packet contains a generous serving of fluffy vanilla marshmallows. Enjoy the convenience of individual portions for a perfect treat every time. Indulge in the sweet, classic vanilla flavor that complements hot cocoa beautifully. It's a simple yet delicious way to enhance your drink. Make your hot cocoa bar a hit with these essential toppings. They add a touch of fun and flavor that everyone will love. These are ideal for Christmas festivities and make a wonderful surprise in holiday stockings. Spread a little sweetness this season. No more measuring or messy bags. These pre-portioned packets make enjoying your marshmallows incredibly easy and convenient. What we like? These mini marshmallows are specifically designed to be perfect for hot chocolate. Each one comes in an individual packet, making them incredibly convenient for hot cocoa bars or holiday festivities. If you love adding a touch of sweetness and fluffiness to your warm drinks, especially during Christmas, these are ideal. What people say. Individually wrapped marshmallows are great for on-the-go snacking. The marshmallows are soft and fluffy, perfect for roasting. Each marshmallow is perfectly sized for hot chocolate. Number 3. Sarah's Candy Factory Vanilla Mini Marshmallows. Introducing a delightful treat from Sarah's Candy Factory. These mini marshmallows are perfect for baking, snacking, or adding a touch of sweetness to your favorite drinks. Enjoy the classic, comforting flavor of vanilla in every bite. They're small in size but big on taste, making them incredibly versatile. Whether you're roasting them over a campfire, topping hot cocoa, or using them in s'mores, these marshmallows are sure to be a hit. Each jar contains 1 pound of these delicious mini marshmallows, ensuring you have plenty for all your sweet creations. It's easy to store and keeps them fresh. These bite-sized delights are a favorite for kids and adults alike. Bring a smile to everyone's face with these fun and tasty marshmallows. Add a touch of whimsical sweetness to your life. They are the perfect addition to any dessert or a simple, satisfying snack on their own. What we like? These are dehydrated mini marshmallows, offering a unique texture and longer shelf life. They come in a generous 1 pound jar, providing plenty for various uses. If you're a baker looking for a versatile ingredient that won't melt away too quickly, or if you need a bulk supply for crafts and recipes, this jar is perfect for you. What people say. Individually wrapped marshmallows are great for on-the-go snacking and portion control. The marshmallows are soft and fluffy, perfect for roasting over a campfire or adding to hot chocolate. Each marshmallow is sealed in its own wrapper, ensuring freshness and preventing them from sticking together. Number 2. Christmas Mini Candy Canes. Experience the timeless joy of the holidays with these classic mini candy canes. Their iconic red and white stripes bring festive cheer to any occasion. Savor the refreshing burst of peppermint flavor in every bite. These small treats are perfect for a quick, sweet indulgence. Each candy cane is individually wrapped, making them perfect for sharing and easy to take on the go. Enjoy a fresh, clean treat every time. Whether you're a kid or an adult, these delightful candy canes are a perfect addition to your holiday festivities. They're a sweet surprise for all ages. Looking for a small token of holiday cheer? This 25-count set makes a wonderful gift or a delightful addition to your own holiday celebrations. What we like? These offer the classic red and white peppermint flavor, perfect for the holiday season. They are individually wrapped, ensuring freshness and making them great for sharing or stocking stuffers. If you're looking for a traditional Christmas candy that brings festive cheer and a refreshing mini taste, these are a wonderful selection. What people say. Individually wrapped marshmallows are great for on-the-go snacking. The resealable bag keeps the marshmallows fresh. Perfect size for hot chocolate. Number 1. SAVYT Candy Cane Peppermint Edible Spoons. Introducing SAVYT Candy Cane Peppermint Edible Spoons. They're a fun and delicious way to enjoy your favorite hot beverages. These spoons are made with real peppermint candy cane. They dissolve as you stir, adding a delightful flavor to your coffee or hot chocolate. Bring a touch of holiday cheer to any occasion. They're perfect for Christmas parties, birthdays, or just a special treat. Looking for unique party favors or stocking stuffers? These edible spoons are sure to be a hit with kids and adults alike. Sip and savor your drink, then enjoy the spoon. It's a sweet, edible way to stir and a fun treat afterward. This bulk pack ensures you have plenty for all your guests. Make your next gathering extra special with these festive spoons. What we like? These are unique edible spoons with a peppermint flavor, designed for hot chocolate and coffee. They serve as a fun novelty item, perfect for children's party favors or stocking stuffers. If you want to add an extra layer of fun and flavor to your hot beverages or are looking for a unique treat for a birthday goodie bag, these spoons are a great pick. What people say. The marshmallows are individually wrapped, which is great for freshness and portion control. These are perfect for s'mores and hot chocolate, as they don't get stale easily. The size of the marshmallows is just right for snacking or baking. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.